Orohoge munini wa President Mohagũre Rigathi Gachagua arageria kwenyitirira niguo ndakaume wobici rurathie na mbere na guteretha umuthi igoti rikimutungia igutha ringi thutha wake kwenda acirithania athatu meyeherie ciira-inĩ wake. Akianĩrĩra matua maria moire ndagĩka ithatu guthoma, Mũcirithania Eric Ogolla, Anthony Mrima na Frida Mugambi maugite gutire kundu marathie na no meguthie na mbere na cira wigie kuhagurwo kwa Rigathi Gachagua na kurugamio gwa kwihitithio kwa munini wa President Mwamure Kithure Kindiki.
The applications for recusals are hereby disallowed. 2. The petitioners are hereby granted leave to file and serve amended petitions, if need be, within 5 days of this order. The respondents likewise are granted leave to file and serve amended responses, if need be, within 5 days of service in B above.
Ogolla ayanite tariki 29 kiumia giukite wita muthenya uria magathikiriria cira wigie kurugamio kwa mihitwa ya munini wa President Mwamure Kithure Kindiki, kuona igoti ria kirugoya niriarutire watho wa kurugamia mihango o yothe ya kwihitithio gwake, watho uria ugiritie Kindiki aikarire giti kiria Gachagua arari nakio wabici-ini ya munini wa President.
The said applications in one above are hereby fixed for hearing on 29th of October 2024 at 10 a.m. in this court.
Ogolla augite aheanite thiku igiri mawakiri ma Gachagua makorwo mambika cira ucio igoti-ini na maharirie maratathi mothe maria marabatara thiku iria ihetwo mwena wa athitangwo, bunge, senate na munene wa watho.
The applications seeking to discharge, review and set aside the conservatory orders shall be deemed as responses to the applications for conservatory orders. Parties are at liberty to file and serve any responses and or further responses to either of the applications together with skeleton submissions within 2 days of this order. Those are the orders of this court.
Thutha wa Ogolla kurikia guthoma matua macio, ndanaria maregu atarugamite na kuma na gutiri wakiri uhetwo mweke wa kwaria. Riu maitho mothe marorete tariki 29 muthi wa keri kiumia giukite mone mwerekera uria cira uyu kuoya makiria hoka ni watho wa kurugamio gwa kwihitithio kwa munini wa President Mwamure Kithure Kindiki. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma igoti ria Milimani mucii munene wa Nairobi, njitagwo Jenga Wambui.